Hello. This video is related to the area of triangle and parallelogram. Before starting the topic, I want to explain what is a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon, or we can say which made by three line segments. And parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. So all of you know, if we join these opposite points, this is called a diagonal and divides the triangle into two equal parts. The area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now if we join it, these angles are equal and some area of a triangle will be half of it. That means area is half into base into height. Now we will do some simple questions in which base and height of a triangle is given. Like here, this triangle base is 12 cm and its height is 6 cm. So area will be 1 upon 2 into 12 into 6, 2 3s are 6, 12 3s are 36 cm square. In the same way, if we have a parallelogram in which base is 15 cm and its height is 6 cm, then area will be 15 into 6, 90 cm square. So these are the very simple questions in which base and height are given. Now if either one is given and the area of a triangle is given, then how we will solve? Suppose the area of a triangle is 150 cm square and its base is 30 cm. We have to find the height of the triangle. Now first of all, write the formula. Area is equal to half into base into height. Now substitute the value. 150 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 30 into h. So simplify it. 30 divided by 2 is 15. H will be equal to 150 upon 15, that is equal to 10 cm. A very easy question. Now in the same way, for a parallelogram, if area is given and either base or height is given, suppose area is 300 cm square and its base is 20 cm. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. So it will be area upon base 300 upon 20, that is equal to 15 cm. Now we will move to some questions from NCERT book, chapter 11, 11.2. So whatever I explained, you are able to do first 4 questions. So I am going to explain 5th question. In 5th question, a parallelogram is given, PQRS, and here the perpendicular from Q is given M, and in the question it is given QM is 7.6 and SR is 12 cm. So here you can see base is 12 cm and height is QM, which is perpendicular, that is the height of the parallelogram. So the area of parallelogram will be base into height, here QR into SR into QM. So this is 12 into 7.6. This is the first part. In the second part they ask, find QN if PS is 8. So what is QN? Q is perpendicular from Q on PS. See, the area of the parallelogram will remain same. If you tilted it, area will be same, 12 into 7.6. Now base is PS and perpendicular will be QN. In the question, PS is given 8 cm. So you can find QN will be equal to 12 into 7.6 upon 8. Right? And the same way we will do the next question, number 6. Is if DL and DM are the heights of the sides AB and AD of a parallelogram ABCD. In this question, area is given, that is 1470 centimeter square, and first part AB is 35 centimeter. We have to find DL. So you know area of a parallelogram is base into height, 1470 is equal to 35 into DL. Now you can find the value of DL. Now area will remain same, and if we change the side of the parallelogram, base will be AD and its height is now VM. In the question, the height of the AD is given 49 centimeter. So you are able to find the value of BM, that will be equal to 1470 divided by 49. So in these two questions, area is given and either base or height is given. You are able to find the another unit. In the next questions, which are related to triangles, either base or height is given. We have to find either one of them. So 7th question, ABC is a right angle triangle at A. This is 5, this is 12 and this is 13 centimeter. So first we will find the area of the triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. So first we will take base 5 centimeter and its height is 12. 12 5 is 60 upon 2, 30 centimeter square. Now they asked to find the length of the AD, that means the height of the triangle. Here we will assume base is 13 and height is 18. So are you able to find the AD? Yes. Second, next question is same as it is. Here it is an isosceles triangle. All of you know what is isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. So here AB and AC are equal to 7.5 centimeter and its base is 9 centimeter. They asked to find the area of triangle ABC. This is 6 centimeter. So area of triangle will be equal to half into base into height. Half into 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 upon 2 is 27 centimeter square. Now they asked to find the CE, which means the perpendicular from C on AB. Area will be same, that means 27 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 7.5 into CE. I think you are able to find the CE. So find the values and write the answers in the comment box. Like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.